this morning, and that is the presentation of brand new Toyota Hilux vehicles to 7 retired Air Warrant officers who completed 35 years of military service in the Nigerian Air Force and the armed forces in general. As you are aware, each of these Air Warrant officers attained the pinnacle of his career in the service in the Airmen's cadre, as we fondly refer to them as the generals of their own cadre. This presentation is also in keeping with the provisions of the harmonized terms and conditions of service for airmen and airwomen, which requires that such vehicles are issued to personnel who attain the rank of Air Warrant officers before retirement. Very importantly also, it is in tandem with one of the key enablers of my command philosophy, which is to maintain a highly motivated force by enhancing welfare and infrastructural renewal. I am confident that this presentation will not only boost the morale and welfare of the beneficiaries, but also those of all airmen and airwomen who are still serving in the Nigerian Air Force. I am certain that it will support those coming behind, work harder, and aspire to greater accomplishments towards contributing to the growth of the Nigerian Air Force. It is pertinent to note that with hard work, diligence, and commitment to duty, you cannot go wrong, as you always get appreciated and rewarded one way or another, even after retirement, as we can see today. The message to all airmen and airwomen who are still serving is you must remain focused, disciplined, committed, and dedicated to the performance of your duties. And with that, the sky will not be your limit, but only your starting point. On this note, I say hearty congratulations to all the beneficiaries from this morning's event, and on behalf of officers, airmen, and airwomen of the Nigerian Air Force, I wish you many years of safe usage of your vehicles along with your families. Thank you all, and God bless.
Congratulations. 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 Next. Congratulations.
Amiable Chief of the Air Staff, Air Marshal Hassan Bala Abubakar, distinguished flying staff. Sir, words alone cannot express how we feel about this noble gesture. We want to thank you and thank the Almighty God for the gift of life, and profoundly appreciate the Chief of the Air Staff for finding us worthy to attain the peak of our career, and also for this special recognition. We are highly honored, sir. We pray Allah will strengthen you and your team and endow you with more wisdom to pilot the affairs of the Nigerian Air Force. May I use this opportunity to advise the junior ones that hard work pays. Today's ceremony gives us hope that the service recognizes diligence, hard work. You show diligence. You should be diligent, hardworking, highly disciplined, and loyal to the constituted authority, as you shall reap the fruit one day, as we are doing today. Sir, to whom much is given, much is expected. To this end, as custodians of discipline, we shall endeavor to redouble our efforts in enforcing discipline in all ramifications. We also assure you, sir, that we shall not let the Nigerian Air Force down. We shall uphold the core values of the Nigerian Air Force, which are integrity first, service before self, and excellence in all we do. Once again, on behalf of my colleagues who are the beneficiary of today's gesture, we want to most sincerely appreciate the Chief of the Air Staff, Air Marshal Hassan Abubakar, Distinguished Flying Star, for the honor done to us today. Thank you, sir, and may God bless you all.
The immediately after this group photograph, we all proceed to the complex.
How can we get our back?